Alright, it's almost 7 a.m. Earliest I woke up. You can kind of see Fishtail from here. But I'm going to take a cable car up to that mountain because riding a motorcycle will take too long. So let's go check out that view real quick. Before meeting the homies today for our day trip. Yeah, came all this way. It's closed for a week. For maintenance. Tragic. Let me hit up Robin and see what's the next move. Man, I woke up so early today. Back on top of the hotel. And you can see the little peaks. You can see that everything's clear. I went right there. There's the cable car thing right there. But it's closed for a week. Yeah. Nepal, man. Shit happens. I've started to accept it too. Alright, at least I know in the morning I can catch a view, so I just gotta wake up early again and do the whole bike ride next time. Annapurna Mountain range. Our bike journey has started. Not too far, just an hour away into one of the crevices. Saripaka. हेर्दै बिस्तारै पुगिन्छ नयाँ हाइवेमा पनि छौँ कस्तो छिटो आउँछ है बादल फेरि अप्रिसिएट गर्न थालेपछि That's what I'm on, that's what he's on. Look at bro suited up, matching the bike and the jacket. I got this right here. Look at this giant cliff right here with a beautiful waterfall. Some kids walking by and then river coming from the Himalayas and the rain. It's beautiful. We're gonna see some more nicer sights.
Yes.
Let's do it. अझै कस्तो राम्रो हुन्छ है जति माथि गयो नि मैले अघि त्यहीँनेरि रोकेर खिच्न मन थियो अलि अगाडिबाट झन् राम्रो आउँछ अलि अगाडिबाट झन् राम्रो I'm having the best time ever, honestly. My new favorite city. Alright, this is not easy to do. उताबाट गएको थिएँ म अस्ति ट्रेकिङ जाँदा उताको हेर्दै rice paddies here in the middle of it. Some mountains there covered by clouds. Fishtails that way, I think. Bro, तिमीले यहाँबाट आउँदाखेरि यस्तो दिने Yeah, this hill was gonna take me a little bit, so he just did it for me quickly. You should have seen him come up. This requires like some body balance, clutch, playing with the gas. Watch how he comes. Easy. Easy, my boy. उताबाट ल्याउनुपर्छ होला ब्रो यो गीत फक्कले त्यही भयो के भाषा पुरा के भाषा Look at somebody's house here. Peace. This is really peaceful. You really want to live by yourself? Huh?
Look at this.
Kill a snail.
Yes.
All local ingredients, local meat, local eggs, local roxy. घरमै बनाएको यस्तो भ्यू पर लोकल गान्जा यस्तो डाँडा चिल छ अरे यहाँनिर स्नीजिङ गरे
पानी कस्तो छ
चिसो छ Nice breeze, rough roads, building experience on the motorcycle, seeing natural places, natural waterfalls and creeks like this, dense jungles, insects, bugs, rain, different weather, clouds, sky, nature. It's pretty lit. We're just all the way up there somewhere. It's raining right over there, deep in there. Look at the water coming in, such force, the wind. हिँड्नुपर्छ होला यार फेरि पानीले भेट्छ है Feels like you're at a national park here. Anytime you go anywhere. Any of these hills you come down. Bro was pissing and he was like, damn, there's people walking. And then there's the river. Damn. What a sight everywhere. And up there is the mountains if it wasn't raining or cloudy. But that's always. Cave to puri keeper bro. Chill ठाउँ छ शीतल हो भित्र जाने जाने त हो नि यस्तोमा उडाएर छ बेटे यार खाऊ पानी त मजाले चुहिँदै रहेछ अनि फेरि ब्याक यहाँबाट ब्याक होइन Get your blessings in a cave. बाफ्रे यहाँ खसाउँदा मान्छे गयो यार यो पानी चाहिँ कहाँबाट आउँदैछ सिधै कहाँसम्म डर लाग्यो यार समाउँदै
पानी सेती नदीको पानीले हाम्रो पवित्र गर्ने गङ्गा जल आधा
सबै हाल्ने
आधा कति चिसो पानी छ भनेर हेर्न आउनुभयो तपाईँहरू यसो टाउको चिसो बनाउनुहोस् चिसो बनाउनुहोस्
हुन्छ
त्यता बाटो नजानु उल्टो
थोरै लगाइदिनु थोरै
उल्टो बाटो हिँड्नुला भनेर सिटी लगाएको हो
हजुर
भुल परेको थियो तपाईँहरूलाई भुल नपरोस् भनेर म पनि यहाँ टोपीको काम गरेको कि तपाईँलाई सम्झाउन हो नि है कहाँबाट आउनुभयो तपाईँहरू
म चाहिँ झापाबाट
ए ल धन्यवाद कुटो
अनि यो पानी चाहिँ कताबाट आउँछ
अन्नपूर्ण हिमालबाट आएको सेती नदीको पानी बाँधे लिएर आएको
ए
बिजुली पावर जसको लागि
बिजुलीको लागि हो ए hello bro रेन्जर छ नि यार यहीँनेरि क्या फेरि सिटी यहीँनेरि छ यहाँनेरि यस्तो छ यो चाहिँ कहाँबाट ल्यायो यार
पानी पनि छोइयो हामी यस्तो रिक्स के अझै यस्तरी बारेको कि होइन राम्रोसँग बार्नुपर्छ मुन जाने बाटो रहेछ यो
फुलमुनि के गर्न होला